What's going on today, guys? Today we're here filming a Nissan GTR. Absolutely insane. So we went for a ride in it earlier today. I'll roll that footage a little bit later, but we're gonna go take a look inside and all around the entire car. Oh my gosh, you guys, dude, that thing's spitting flames. That's absolutely insane. We're here in the GTR right now, going for a ride. We're gonna go to a different spot to go shoot some more photos and video, and yeah, that sunset is gorgeous. Oh, can you guys hear the turbos on that? That's absolutely insane. Oh, so you can see your throttle response, your boost, your oil temp. Insane. We got the popcorn BMW behind us. Yeah, crazy. Crazy. Alrighty guys, we just made it to the new spot. Look at this absolutely gorgeous sunset. That GTR just sitting there. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. There we go. That's poster stuff right there, man. That's too good. That's too good.
Alright, now as soon as this car's going.
Jeez. So this has actually been my first time riding in a Nissan GTR. And kind of some of my thoughts on it. It's such an unreal car. I mean, how quick the throttle response is and how quick the turbos are to spool. I actually thought that was quite interesting of how quick it would spool. On top of that, also another thing was being modified kind of, I feel like, handicapped it a little bit because it kind of screwed up the steering dynamic and the way that the car felt more planted, you know, at a higher rate of speed. But other than that, it looked and it felt really, really good. All right, so Zach's gonna launch his BMW so we can see how fast his SUV is, and then we're gonna get the GTR to line up too. Woo! We got that sinister GTR all the way down there. Ooh, the little pops at the end. Woo. That's insane. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so it's the next day. thought I'd just do my outro here in my car. But the GTR was very different. I had a kind of a set opinion of GTRs before I had ever been in one, and so it was quite a different experience for me being in that car. Especially because, you know, being a turbo car and stuff like that, you know, I'm used to having, you know, there's a little bit of lag and stuff. But for that car more specifically, it didn't really have a lot of lag. And it did a very good job at delivering the power that it had. And so I was quite impressed. And it was very quick. It was very quick. And so I was quite impressed by that car. But let me know your guys' thoughts on the GTR. Let me know your thoughts on the Liberty Walk and the livery and everything. But thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.